Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the Unit 2 of third chapter, Force and Pressure. Clear? Okay. Unit 2, Pressure exerted by liquids. How much pressure exerted by liquids? Okay. If a liquid is kept in a vessel, then how much pressure it will exert on the bottom surface of the vessel. Okay, we know that liquid and solid, what is difference between them? Solid means a type of matter which have definite shape and definite volume, and it is not easily compressible. But liquid, the matter which have only definite volume, does not have definite shape. Clear? So in last class we have discussed about the pressure due to the solid, means pressure exerted by solid. It means force or thrust acting in unit area. How much force or thrust applied by a solid in unit area? Okay, suppose this is a solid, so when we just keep the solid on the surface, so how much pressure this solid will apply on this surface? Equal to its weight, equal to its weight. Clear? And area contact between them, means pressure is equal to force upon area. But today we will discuss about the pressure exerted by liquids. लिक्विड कितना प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करेगा? जब भी किसी इसको कंटेनर में या वेसल में रखेंगे तो कितना प्रेशर ये कंटेन करेगा. So for better understand this topic, we will discuss this point with an experiment. Clear? Means experimental view. For that we will take two test tube, glass tube, okay, width 3 mm and length 10 सेंटीमीटर. इसलिए क्या करेंगे, हम दो ग्लास ट्यूब लेंगे जिसकी विड्थ क्या होगी 3 सेंटीमीटर, जो विड्थ है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर. We will take two glass tube, okay, of the same length and width, same length and width. Okay, now just we will tie the one end of both glass tube with a thin rubber membrane, either a balloon. इसके दूसरे एंड को, दोनों इस ग्लास ट्यूब के दूसरे एंड को हम बलून से क्या करेंगे, टाइट कर देंगे या इसको ऐसे पैक कर देंगे. Clear? Now we will pour some water in first glass tube. पहले वाले में कुछ वाटर डालेंगे up to this level. Some water. What? Water. Clear? Okay. So what we will observe? We will observe here the balloon becomes blunt or inflate due to the pressure of this water or liquid. And again we will increase the level of water. Some more water will pour into the second glass tube. So what we will observe here, यहाँ हम क्या देखेंगे, the inflation of balloon or a rubber membrane, or the rubber membrane or balloon will becomes more blunt or more inflated due to the more amount of water. It means here we conclude that if the height of water or liquid will increase, the shape of the balloon will also more blunt or increase. Means the height increase, the pressure by the liquid exerted more on the surface of the balloon. It means we can conclude that the pressure exerted by a liquid is directly proportional to the height of a liquid. Height of a liquid. जैसे हम यहाँ पे water का level बढ़ा रहे हैं, okay? So what will happen here? The balloons becomes more blood. ये जो balloon है, बड़ा क्या हो रहा है, वो और ज़्यादा inflate हो रहा है, blood हो रहा है ना? Because here the level of the water or height of the water will exert more pressure. Will exert more pressure. Same we can say that if we take some water in a metal or in a other tube, and here just will make a hole, one hole on the bottom and one on the top. So over this tube with the water, so what we will observe that the water start coming on from both openings, are both. But here the speed of water is more as compared to bottom hole or openings. Why? Because height of water, with the height of water, the pressure exerted by the water on the wall of the container is more. Clear? It means the pressure exerted by the water or liquid directly proportional to height. Clear? Okay. Second, some more. We will take two different type of liquids. Then we will observe that how much pressure exerted by the liquid will exert by the liquid. Suppose in one tube, metal tube or glass tube, it's 1 inch. Again, we'll tie it with the balloon and of the same height and same width. Other tube tied with the balloon. One tube we will fill or pour with water, and other tube with same height we will pour with kerosene ion. Here water. So what we will observe here, this particular balloon, that tube filled with or poured with water, inflate more, blood more as compared to that tube which filled or poured with oil. It means again the pressure exerted by the water is more as compared to the pressure exerted by the oil. It means what? The density. It means it related to its density. We know that now density of water is more than oil. So that's why water exert more pressure, okay, as compared to oil or kerosene ion. Clear? So here we can conclude that pressure is directly proportional to density rho under D. Clear? And one more thing, when liquids kept in this test tube now, in a glass tube, it will exert pressure on the surface of balloon, and balloon just it will feel one more force or weight due to gravity. So again, the pressure exerted by the liquid is directly proportional to the acceleration due to gravity. So finally we can conclude that the pressure exerted by liquid is equal to what? Height, density and G. HdG or H rho G. Clear? Okay. How much pressure exerted by liquid on the bottom surface of a container and on the wall of the container. Depend upon three quantities: density of the liquid, height of the liquid inside the container, and acceleration due to gravity. Clear? all three quantities, the pressure of the liquid is directly proportional to all three quantities and also depend on it. Clear? Now we'll discuss about the lateral pressure. Lateral means the pressure exerted by the liquid on the wall of a container. Clear? Lateral pressure. Lateral pressure. Lateral pressure. Lateral pressure. For that again we will understand this topic with an experiment. But for that again we will take a metal cylinder or metallic cylinder with opening at the bottom, with an opening at the bottom. यहाँ पे एक opening होगा. Clear? With an opening at the bottom. Opening at the bottom. Clear? Again we pour this cylinder with water at a height, at a certain height. इसको क्या करेंगे हम water से fill कर देंगे. And here we will tie a rubber membrane or a balloon. Rubber membrane or a balloon. Okay, क्या करेंगे? ये rubber membrane या balloon से इसको tight कर देंगे, pack कर देंगे इस opening को. Clear? Then what we will observe? We will observe that again the balloon will start to blow or inflate due to the pressure exerted by water or liquid on the wall of container. Clear? It means this opening at a depth now. It means depth. Depth means depth of the container. It will exert more pressure. The liquid will exert more pressure. Okay, clear? So it proved that the lateral pressure exerted by liquid depend upon the depth and also height. If depth is at this point, suppose we will take a cylinder with two openings, one at top and one at bottom. And we will fill this particular cylinder with water. Clear? So what we will observe here? Here two openings are there in this cylinder. One at this height, one at the bottom. So where pressure will more or the pressure exerted by the liquid will be more. Depend upon the height. Here the water flow outside with less speed, here more speed. Because the height of the first openings is more than the second one. So here liquid exert more pressure. It means again we conclude that the pressure exerted by the liquid depend upon the depth or height of the liquid kept in a container. Clear? One more thing. Liquid exert equal pressure in all directions in a container at a certain depth or height. मतलब जो लिक्विड है वो अगर किसी कंटेनर में रखा है तो इट विल एक्सर्ट इक्वल प्रेशर इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. सभी डायरेक्शन में इक्वल प्रेशर लगाएगा एट ए सर्टेन हाइट, एक फिक्स हाइट पर. सपोज फॉर दैट वी विल टेक वन मोर cylindrical vessel. Clear? Cylindrical vessel, and here we make openings at this side, 2 or 3 openings. 2 or 3 holes are opening. One this side, one from the front, one from the back, and fill it with the water or any liquid. So either here with all openings we tie with a balloon, either leave it free. या हम सारे ओपनिंग्स को, होल्स को बलून से कवर कर दें या फिर इसको ऐसे छोड़ दें. ओके, इन बोथ केसेस वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द pressure exerted by the liquid at a certain height in all direction are also equal. मतलब चारों डायरेक्शन में जो लिक्विड प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करेगा वो क्या होगा, इक्वल. सो व्हाट विल ऑब्जर्व दैट from this opening and this opening, in both sides the water or liquid will flow out or coming out with the same speed, with the same speed, with the same speed. Why? Due to the same height, same height. तो यहाँ पे जो दोनों ओपनिंग है उसकी हाइट क्या है, वो सेम है. तो हाइट सेम है. We know that now pressure is directly proportional to height. हाइट के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है ना. तो अगर प्रेशर हाइट दोनों ओपनिंग्स की सेम है, सो व्हाट विल बी देयर, व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होगा यहाँ पे, the liquid will come out or flow out with the same speed. Means this liquid or water will exert equal pressure at both openings, at the both openings. Clear? Okay. So finally we can conclude that the pressure exerted by the liquids increase with height or depth, increase with density, and increase with acceleration to gravity. Means the pressure exerted by liquid is finally depend upon three quantities. So the formula of pressure will become of liquid H rho G. H rho G. Okay. Thank you.